On January 13, 2024, at approximately 1:43 p.m., a Georgia State Patrol trooper spotted a brown Ford F-150 speeding at 80 miles per hour in a 55-mile-per-hour zone on Georgia Highway 122. What should have been a routine traffic stop turned into a dangerous high-speed pursuit when the driver refused to pull over, accelerating to speeds estimated at over 90 miles per hour. With narrow dirt roads ahead and nowhere safe to hide, the chase was about to become far more dangerous than anyone expected. Would you have made the decision to run? The driver's decision to leave the highway and dive onto private dirt roads changes the entire pursuit. Loose gravel, blind corners, and limited visibility make every second more dangerous for both the trooper and everyone inside the truck. Despite the difficult terrain, the officer maintains a controlled distance instead of forcing unnecessary risks, waiting for the safest opportunity to bring the pursuit to an end. The moment the truck stops, the pursuit isn't over. It simply enters its most dangerous phase. The trooper immediately transitions into a high-risk felony stop, drawing his sidearm and ordering every occupant to keep their hands visible. Officers can never assume a fleeing vehicle is harmless, which is why every movement is treated as a potential threat until all occupants are safely secured.
Let me see your hands! Put your hand out the window! Passenger, you too! Put that sucker in park! Get out of the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle! Stand right there! Move it!
There ain't even nothing.
Get out of the vehicle! You come around to the other side! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the fucking ground, motherfucker!
Yes,
both all y'all, get your ass over here!
Yes,
now!
Yes, sir.
All of you! Get on the ground, motherfucker! Lay down on the ground!
I'm sorry, sir.
Get on the ground!
It wasn't me, sir. It wasn't me.
Shut up! You! Put your hands behind your back.
Sir, I was just in the truck, sir. I promise, man.
You about a dumbass, man. Don't even fucking look at me, dumbass.
Please.
Everybody stay on the fucking ground.
Yes, sir.
You got any weapons on you?
In the truck.
You got anything on you, ma'am? You got any weapons on you?
No, sir. I just got my phone in my wallet.
have a pocket knife or nothing?
No, sir, I promise.
Stay on the ground. Damn, radio ain't working. 249 way across. 249 way across.
249.
Yeah, I'm 1095. The driver. We also have 2 passengers. I'm about to be 1095 with right now. I'm on a dirt road. I don't know the name of the dirt road. 1012.
As the suspects begin explaining why they ran, the trooper stays focused on the facts rather than the excuses. Claiming they mistook a fully marked Georgia State Patrol vehicle for private security doesn't change what already happened. Once emergency lights are activated and a driver intentionally flees, the incident becomes far more serious than a simple speeding stop. Do you think that explanation would hold up in court?
Put your hands behind your back, man.
Yes, sir. Sir, I promise. I was just.
We thought you was the Millwood Plantation
I was
Patrol,
just riding
like,
around with him, sir.
security guard.
I was just riding around.
I thought you was like the security guard for the Millwood Plantation.
I'm no security guard, man. I'm a state trooper.
I was just riding around.
And it even says on the front of the vehicle while you were running. You just committed a felony, you know. Stay right there.
Sir, I was just riding
No, we
around
really,
with him, sir.
we thought you was the, oh my God.
Well, you got any ID on you?
Yes, sir.
Where?
In my truck. Right there's my wallet in the door.
All right.
Sir,
Go ahead and sit up, man.
I promised to. We didn't know you was no.
Sir, I was just riding around with
And
him.
then we heard the
Grab your phone
sirens.
and sit on the front of my bumper right there, man.
Oh my God.
You said your wallet's inside the truck?
Yes, sir.
Where?
Right there. Look in the door right there. Oh my God. Holy crap. Oh.
Oh my God, I did not know that was a real car. Fucking dumbass. I told you to pull over, dude.
Hey, go ahead and put a knee up on you and we're going to sit up.
The trooper now reveals just how dangerous this pursuit really was. The pickup had already been clocked at 80 miles per hour, later exceeding an estimated 90 MPH, and he even considered using a pit maneuver. But with narrow dirt roads offering no safe location, forcing the maneuver could have rolled the truck or seriously injured everyone inside. Sometimes the smartest tactical decision is knowing when not to act. Would you have attempted the pit here, or waited for the suspect to make a mistake?
Stand up for me.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my
Man, I
God.
was just riding around with him, man.
Stay right there. What's your last name? Cox?
Yes,
All right,
sir.
you stand up. Anybody know the name of this road?
The hasty.
Is it Hasty? This dirt road? No, you come back here and watch what's up back right
Can I please see? Talk to you.
here. It's too late now, man. You're sitting there running from the freaking state.
I did not know that. Do you know how
You know
dumb
what
that
blue
is?
lights mean?
Yes, sir, but I could, because they have a daggum for the Millwood Plantation, all the rich neighborhoods. That's all I thought
I
you
checked
was.
you on the roadway, man.
I
80 mile an hour. Get in the back.
Please don't close the door. Let me talk to you. My dad, I'm not that
I
kind
don't care who your dad is, man.
No, I didn't mean nothing like
I'm going
that.
to jail. I'm 10-4 way across. Ten-4. They can see me on the map.
Officer. Officer.
Yeah.
Look at Officer, that's my daggum brother-in-law right there, please.
Why were y'all running, man?
I have no clue.
You trying to tell them to stop?
And we was trying to tell him to stop the whole time. I said, Caden, he's done got your license plate. I mean, dude, you don't like. And he said, no, we can make it on the dirt. I was like, dude, you're not going to make it. He's got a freaking car that's going to go way faster than this truck. I mean,
Stupid, man. That's just freaking stupid.
This pursuit highlights why discipline and patience are just as important as speed. Instead of rushing into a dangerous maneuver, the trooper relied on positioning, communication, and sound tactical judgment to bring the chase to a safe conclusion. The driver was taken into custody while the passengers were safely detained and released without injury.
I've been trying to tell him to stop the whole time, man. I'm sorry about that. Like, I was just coming right around.
Y'all just stay right there a minute for me. Whose dog is that?
That's his.
That's his.
They thought I was some kind of, I checked them at 80 on 122. I got the driver in the back seat. And turned around and started chasing him down. He kept on running. Then we went up way, he's running from me. Well, I swear I thought you was some kind of park, what do you call it? Park ranger? Or some kind of ranger that looks over this area or some shit. I don't know what he's talking about.
They hire wire. This is Millwood Plantation. This is Perch Creek Trail. That's the name of this road.
Oh, is it?
It's a private. This is actually a private road.
Yeah, but I mean, we was on 122.
Oh yeah.
Caleb. At 80, turn around and they want to try to run from me. I was about to pin him if I could, but of course, that ain't no good place to pin. I finally just stopped. And he goes, oh my God, I didn't know you was out there. Come on, man, what the fuck? And blue lights and shit.
Caleb.
Hey, is that his daddy's truck?
That's his truck.
I'm gonna take the cuss off you now.
I'm really sorry about that.
They're taking the clothes off Caleb right there.
Calm down, Luke. No, this is gonna happen one time. It done happened, but this time, yeah, it's the last time. I'm sorry about that, man.
You weren't driving, but I mean.
Officer. Officer.
What were y'all doing? Just hunting or just riding?
We was just riding around.
Can I call my dad to come get the truck? I live right down the road.
Just hang tight.
Officer, please look at me.
If you enjoy real police pursuit breakdowns with tactical analysis and body cam footage, be sure to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real-world chase breakdowns.